discovered old FL2 project files from early FL Studio days. These contain music production projects from the legacy version of the popular DAW. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these FL Studio legacy project files. Don't close the guide if the FL2 file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. Users encounter FL2 files when working with older versions of FL Studio, a popular digital audio workstation. They are searching for how to open these legacy project files in modern versions of the software to access, remix, or recover old musical compositions, including instrument settings and arrangement data. The FL2 format is a proprietary binary file designed by ImageLine to store a complete music project's state. It encapsulates MIDI data, plugin settings, automation clips, and mixer states in a structured, non-human-readable format. This binary design ensures fast loading times and protects the software's internal architecture. Typically, FL2 files can be opened with FL Studio created by ImageLine. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows provides standard playback features, though advanced processing must be done in audio workstations. To ensure maximum compatibility, right-click the FL2 file and click Open With. Test FL Studio if it appears. If not, choose another program. We are finding the specific software hook. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the Universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, opening in FL Studio. Install current FL Studio from ImageLine, which maintains backward compatibility with legacy formats. Launch FL Studio and use File then Open to load the FL2 file. FL Studio attempts to import the legacy project, converting it to current format. Some legacy elements may require manual recreation due to format evolution over decades. Next, updating project format. After opening FL2 files in modern FL Studio, save the project in current FLP format using File then Save As. This converts the legacy format to current standards, ensuring compatibility with FL Studio updates and modern workflow features. Keep original FL2 files as archival backups for historical reference. Finally, manual recreation. For FL2 files that cannot be properly imported, manually recreate the project in current FL Studio. Listen to any rendered audio from the original project and recreate the musical content using modern instruments and effects. This approach ensures access to legacy musical ideas using contemporary FL Studio capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.